So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an age restriction on your Shopify store. So this is super easy and you can do it for totally free. So let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we basically want to go to elfsite.com, and right here you can basically get lots and lots of different widgets. And we basically want to click on widgets and click on age verification right here. And right here click on create widget, and you'll end up in this sort of like widget editor. And this is the preview, and you can select these different age or like templates. And you can just choose which one you like. So let's say you want this one. You can just click on continue with this template, and you will end up on this page. And right here you can select the minimum age. So you can change it from, I think you can change it from every age range, I believe. You can change it to whatever you want. And you can just customize all of this a little bit. You can change the text and stuff like that. So that's fully up to you, like how you want to customize it. And at this point, all you want to do is basically click on join to install. And right here, you will have to create an account. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And you guys have to do that as well. And then you end up right here. And at the top right corner, you want to click on save. And you have to select a plan, but you can basically just go to the, you can just select the light version. So just select that, and you want to click on this link right here, and this will immediately copy the link. And once you've done that, you want to go to online store on Shopify, and you want to go to actions. You want to click on edit code, and once you're here, you basically want to click on theme.liquid. And you want to scroll a bit down to see the body tag right here. The body tag is for me on the on this one right here. You want to hit enter and then just paste the link in there right there, and just click on save, and it says assets saved. So you want to go back to the online store, click on customize, and as you can see, it says welcome to our website. Please verify your age to enter, and then select one of these two, of course. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.